Hi everybody, here I will show you how to connect your Squarespace domain to Hostinger step by step. Whether you're using WordPress or just moving your domain, this video will walk you through it. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to point your Squarespace domain to Hostinger and have your website live. Step 1. Log in to Hostinger. First, head over to hostinger.com and log into your account. I'm currently on the Cloud Startup plan. It's affordable, powerful and perfect for scaling projects like my own site, pmntechfix.nl. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your Hostinger dashboard. From here, find your hosting plan and click Manage. Step 2. Add your website. In the top left corner, click Add Website. Choose who you're creating the site for. In my case, it's for myself or my business. I'll select WordPress as the platform, set a password, and click Next. You can skip any extra features or templates. I prefer starting with a blank site. Step 3. Prepare to connect your Squarespace domain. Now comes the important part, connecting your custom domain from Squarespace to Hostinger manually. Log into your Squarespace account, go to your profile icon and then to Domains. Select the domain you want to connect. In this case, it's pmntechfix.nl. Click on it, then copy the full domain, pmntechfix.nl. Step 4. Configure DNS and Nameservers. Back in Hostinger, paste your domain in the Domain Setup step. Hostinger will recognize that the domain is registered with another provider. That's okay. Choose the Manual Connection option and click Next. Now it's time to update your DNS records on Squarespace. In Squarespace, go to your domain settings. Head to the DNS settings section. Look for the Nameservers area. Select Use Custom Nameservers. Hostinger will provide 2 custom nameservers. Just copy nameserver 1, paste it into Squarespace. Then copy nameserver 2 and paste that as well. Hit SA. This is how you manually point a Squarespace domain to Hostinger using custom DNS. Step 5. Finalize the connection. Now return to Hostinger and click Continue. It will show a message saying your domain connection is in progress. This can take up to 24 hours, sometimes 48, so give it some time. But once it's done, your Squarespace domain will be pointing to your Hostinger WordPress site. To confirm, visit your domain. You should see your WordPress site hosted on Hostinger, just like you can at pmntechfix.nl. And that's it. That's how to connect a Squarespace domain to Hostinger manually, including DNS setup and pointing the domain to WordPress. If you found this helpful, like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tech tutorials and hosting solutions. Let me know in the comments if you need help with domain propagation time, installing SSL on Hostinger, or connecting domains to GoDaddy, Namecheap, Shopify, Wix, or Google domains.